Welcome to Njenje Media TV. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. My name is Mike Udenta. The Southeast governors have established a security outfit codenamed EBUBE AGU. This outfit is to curtail the rising insecurity in the region. The chairman of the Southeast Governors Forum, David Umahi, made the announcement on Sunday after a meeting in Owerri, the Imo State capital. The headquarters of this establishment will be in Enugu State. Dave Umahi, in a communique he read, explained that the EBUBE AGU will also monitor the activities of vigilante groups in member states. Here is the full communique. Again, the communique issued by Southeast governors and heads of security agencies at the end of the first Southeast Security Summit held in Owerri today, Sunday, April 11th, 2021. After an exhaustive discussions on the current security challenges in the Southeast and with valuable contributions from participants at the first Southeast Security Summit in Owerri, on this day, Sunday, April 11th, 2021, it was resolved as follows. Number 1. To strongly and unequivocally condemn terrorism and banditry in any part of Nigeria, particularly in the Southeast. The meeting strongly condemned the burning of police stations, violent attacks on custodial centers, with the unlawful release of inmates, and the killing, including security personnel, natives, farmers, and herdsmen. 2. That the 5 Southeast states are on the same page with the federal government on the issue of security challenges in the country. To this end, the meeting makes it absolutely clear that the Southeast will stand resolutely with the federal government to fight terrorists and bandits to a finish. That the political leadership in the Southeast has resolved to bring together all in their arsenal, to their command as one united zone to fight and flush out criminals and terrorism from their zone. 4. That the summit resolved to achieve this. There is a need to galvanize all the relevant stakeholders in the Southeast, the political class, the business community, the bureaucrats, and all the intelligentsia to provide all necessary support to security operatives in the 5 southeastern states to ensure total success in the fight against criminality in the zone. 5. That the head of all the security agencies in the Southeast have resolved to exchange intelligence in a seamless, effective new order that will help to checkmate crime in the zone. 6. That to fast-track crime busting in the Southeast, the heads of security agencies have been mandated to draw up comprehensive list of their logistics and material needs for the sustainable success in the fight against criminality, for the immediate provision by the leadership of the Southeast. 7. That a committee made up of security personnel, government officials, and relevant stakeholders be set up to coordinate and monitor the implementation of Southeast Joint Security Platform. 8. To applaud the initiative of the Southeast Security Summit and to make it a statutory summit that will convene every quarter, while its hosting shall rotate among the 5 southeastern states. 9. That the meeting resolved to maintain a joint vigilante for the Southeast, otherwise known as EBUBE AGU. 10. The meeting appreciated the formation of Southeast Joint Security Outfit codenamed EBUBE AGU, headquarters in Enugu, to coordinate our vigilante activities in the Southeast. 11. Southeast governors requested that Acting Inspector General of Police to stop the influx of Inspector General of Police monitoring units, but to allow commissioners of police and state zonal commands to handle their cases. 12. Meeting approved that the Acting Inspector General of Police and other security chiefs do invite the leadership of Ohaneze Ndibo and Christian Association of Nigeria to find out the reason for increasing insecurity of the Southeast. 13. Meeting agreed that military policing in the Southeast should be adequately funded and become effective. 14. Meeting agreed that open grazing has been banned and security agency should implement the ban. Finally, 15. The meeting encouraged a peaceful coexistence of farmers and herders to allow governors to succeed in their fight against criminality. My name is Mike Udenta. Njenje Media TV. Here we want to say it is better late than never. It is, again, very, very gratifying that the Southeastern governors have woken up to their responsibility to forming a security outfit and a security network for the Southeast. And also, it gladdens our heart here at Njenje Media for their reaffirmation of the ban on open grazing. And therefore, it behoves on all of us as citizens to help them achieve this aim by reporting when we see cows grazing openly. And the security operatives must have and now wake up to their responsibility of doing the needful once such is reported. EBUBE AGU, as they say in Igbo, na-eche for real. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV. Thank you for your cooperation and listening to us.